Hi friends. Today I am going to recite a poem written by me on the recent topic COVID-19 related my experience. I am a doctor working in critical care. I would like to share my experience when I was first of all wearing a PPE kit and what thought process really was going on in my mind. I have tried my best to actually express my views, what I was actually thinking at that time. So kindly plug in your headphones, close your eyes and just enjoy my poem. A short story in fact. Lubbed up, my heart was beating. I was wearing PPE and the clock was ticking. It was full of silence. When I heard my breathing, there was no thought. My mind had stopped thinking. I had some unknown fear about what's going to happen. It was claustrophobia, which was surely going to happen. I gathered some courage and went inside ICU. I managed my fear and just took a round inside ICU. The moment I saw the patients there, it was all same and all familiar things there. I realized it was all same and just regained confidence. I was feeling alive with no fear and just confidence. All familiar equipments and environment was there. It was just the confused mind which earlier distracted me here and there. Those moments of silence strengthened my belief. Those moments of silence brought inner relief. After wearing the PPE, I was on a standby mode. I just couldn't move and had a restriction code. Just kept on igniting my flame of hope and didn't let that situation overpower my hope. I always had stood firm and strong. It was just another battle to prove my destiny wrong. We will surely win and will achieve our dreams. Just don't let the virus infect our dreams. We will surely win and will achieve our dreams. Just don't let the virus infect our dreams. This was my whole experience when I first time donned the PPE, summed up in words. This is actually everyone's story to which everyone can relate to. Thank you very much.